I just want to know that right now, my little business that grow like a flower. Every day I water it, I check off what go down and put them on back on the spring.
To the brother there when me see intense taste of boom and peel a piece of food for use him vocals pan a intro.
So viewers, welcome back to another update. So Intense recently give a man 100k for use him intro in him new song. The song when him shh, you see me? So now the brother come out and I make him know say yo, it better you play the madman role than invest in a business, because people on social media don't really like to see when other people are improve because them think he is a madman. So if you just continue with the madman role and not change nothing about that. It's what I say viewers. So I just want to listen this and just leave your opinions in the comment section. It's what I say, and tell me if you don't agree with him. Because truth be told, persons on social media stay, you see me? Once you act the madman role, them like that role there. But if you go look like say here what me have sense and me I go make that thing in a investment, them not like that.
Good girl in a them town, you don't know say a Gaza Kim represent for lavish ENT. You hear me a say man? Amen. Me get the boy out of my life.
Lavish your bad dada, dun dada, bad brother. Them call you back feel like you need dun dada.
I just want to know that right now, my little business that grow like a flower. Every day I water it, I check off what go down and put them on back on the spring. Because more uplifting thing, you know. And right now, every day I just want to make a man out of this little earnings and set myself in good lane, good standard. I'm telling people, you know, don't condemn, don't criticize, don't look down upon, because anybody that can turn in any aspect. Right now, I appreciate where I'm at today, and I want to set myself in the best lineage. Enjoy your evening. Myself Intense, up top.
To the brother there when me see intense taste of boom and peel a piece of food for use him vocals pan a intro. Let me tell you this, man. See a little video there promote a little business where you do and I give thanks and a rave. Let me tell you, don't do it again, my friend. Keep it to yourself. Personally, me love to see the progress. Me love to see the progress, and there are a few more like me out there where no say people like you deserve help. But yeah, what? Jamaica not take nobody will take themselves serious. The only reason why you reach where you're there because them feel like you're a big careless man will just make loose chatter. That send you viral. The minute you start take yourself serious and show Jamaican people, especially TikTokers, or the people on TikTok say you're serious about life and you mean progress and you have ambition, a day so them a go park you. A day so them a go park you. So you will play the role and the character where they accept you with, because me thought this already, I'll talk it again. Jamaican love dirty clothes celebrity. They know you're nothing with nobody with serious about life. You get where me I come from? So yeah, man, people like you deserve help. People like you, Bumbuckler, deserve help, but it a go hard for you come now just because you go show them say you have sense and you go put the money to use. Them rather give a man we go name it and come back on beg tomorrow to be the entertainment. You get me? Head up my general, but big up yourself. Solid move. Respect 100%.